Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Winnebago Outlook 27D. This is a brand new product line for Winnebago in 2018. Lots to see. Come on inside, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this brand new Outlook 27D, first thing to notice, the size of the bedroom here and all that you have. You've got a queen size bed here. You are going to have 110 and USB power on both sides of the bed to go with these perfect little nightstands. Good spot to charge cell phones, also good spot to use CPAP machines if that's what you got to do. As you can also see, this is legitimately a walk around bed. I've got no problem moving back here. Also have very generously sized wardrobe. This is great to have the whole family get wardrobe space in there. You can easily get 2 or 3 seasons of clothes in there if it's just you and your wife going as well. Plenty of dresser space down here. Plenty of dresser space over here. Good spot to plug in extra cable. Very, very versatile. As we go out into the bath area, this is of course going to feature a split bath. As you get into the shower, as you can see, I'm about 5'9". I weigh about 200 pounds, and plenty of room for me to move about in here, no trouble. And someone a good 6'2" or 6'3" ought to be able to fit in here without too much trouble. As we get into the rest of the bathroom area, again, kind of keep in mind the size. I told you I got plenty of room to move around in here. You've got some great storage in here. You've got some more great storage up here. So everyone can kind of have their own little space for their private toiletry items, but really a well thought out floor plan and lots of good space to move about in here. As we get out into the rest of the coach kitchen area, this is going to be an all-electric refrigerator. So this is going to have the 2 house batteries, and you're going to have an inverter to power the refrigerator. Between those 2 items, you're of course going to have about 49 hours of time before everything goes flat and you have to turn on your generator. That's according to Winnebago. But makes it really unique. You've also got your convection unit here, 3-burner gas cooktop. By going that route, that of course gives you a little bit of extra storage space down below for pots and pans. As you'll note, those are on full ball bearing slides. And you've also got this massive cabinet up top. Perfect for extra pots and pans, cups and glasses, plates, stuff like that. And then with all of this over here, you've got a massive area here for storage as well. And this is probably more than you'll ever need for a pantry, but you can double this up as a linen closet, use this for extra pots and pans, etc. This is another great opportunity to showcase one of the best things about Winnebago. If you look right here very carefully, you'll notice that sticker right there. This is one of those unique marginal differences for Winnebago. That's a product ID sticker, and Winnebago is one of those unique companies that makes about 70 or 80% of this coach themselves. If anything were to happen to this and you needed to have that part replaced, Winnebago's got a 14 million cubic foot warehouse that they can pull that part out of and send you the right thing. If not, they'll just dust off the equipment and build you the perfect part. Really a nice thing to have for Winnebago. One of those big advantages. As we get into the dinette here, you are of course going to have easy seating for 4. As you can see, I'm comfortably sat in here, no problems, and there's plenty of space for my knees. I'm not going to have to worry about knocking knees with the person sitting across from me. And as you can see, I've got plenty of room in here for another person to sit next to me pretty comfortably. Really a well thought out floor plan and great solid table. Up here, of course, you've got sleeping for 2 potentially. You've got your TV, and this, of course, is going to be featured on the Ford E450 chassis. That is going to feature a 6.8 liter Triton V10 motor. And if you look at that center console up front, that's going to feature mirroring technology as well. That's going to allow you to pair your cell phone directly to that console so that you can use Google Maps or Waze or whatever you want. Allow you to do voice command text messaging and hands-free phone calls. So really a good floor plan in here, and that's about all the time we have to look at the inside. Let's go have a wonderful look at the exterior. Right, on the exterior, this brand new 2018 Outlook 27D. Simple on the design. So you've got your choice of red or blue. Right now we've got blue. You've got small storage over here, you got another small storage bay here, and one more at the rear. You've got an awning that goes almost the entire length of the coach as well. That's going to be a major feature. You do, of course, have a 5,000-pound hitch back here. You've got your backup camera. You've got a nice big window back here as well. That'll help keep your bedroom naturally lit. And then as we work our way around, you're going to notice also that we've got a little bit of storage there. You've got real easy access point for your black and gray drains. No worries about having to thread that thing up and through anything. And then you've got a really big storage bay here. It's kind of hard to see, but that's easily going to fit 2 or 3 sets of golf clubs in there. Or you can fit a number of fishing rods, extra clothing, you know, whatever the case might happen to be. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this brand new Winnebago Outlook 27D. Once again, my name is Erik.Sakshaug. As I'm sure you know, there's a lot of small little details that I haven't had time to talk about, and I'd love to tell you all about them so you and your family can make an informed decision. When you've got some time, please feel free to reach out and contact me using the 800 number below on the screen, or if you'd like, call me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.